Oh my gosh, I wasn't even recording it? Okay. Alright, let's start all over. So, Jonathan, what do you think of Comic-Con? Yay! And what do you think of all the people who are helping you get there? Do you love them?
Yeah.
Do you want to marry them?
No.
Just Miley? You love Miley?
Yeah.
Miley Cyrus, you gonna blow her a kiss? Good. Give her a hug? You love her more than me? Hey! Alright, let's cut. Say goodnight to the camera. I'm your mother. I gave you life. Oh, I love you too. Too late, baby. Spider-Man movie. Tonight? Oh, okay, I love you.